Werner Heisenberg was a German physicist and philosopher during his time. Born on December 5, 1901 in Würzburg, Germany, his parents were August Heisenberg, a lecturer at the University of Würzburg, and Anna Wicklang, who was the daughter of the director of elite Maximilian's gymnasiums in Munich. From 1920 to 1970, he focused his research on quantum mechanics. From 1933 to 1945, Heisenberg got caught up in the Second World War, where he was drafted into the Nazi German Party on discovering a way to make an atomic bomb. He died in Munich, Germany, on February 1, 1975. Heisenberg's contribution to the atom was when he, along with Niels Bohr and Pascal Jordan, discovered a way of formulating quantum mechanics into matrices, which eventually led to the discovery of the allotropic form of hydrogen atoms. Heisenberg was trying to find a way to solve the problem of spectrum intensities of electrons as an oscillator. The observable properties, the atom's radiation, were the basis on his paper made in July 1925 called The Quantum Theoretical Reinterpretation of Kinetic and Mechanical Relations. Through the usage of non-commutative multiplication, Bohr and new assistant Pascal Jordan discovered that this problem could be solved using matrix algebra, leading to the publication of the paper on quantum mechanics on September. 2 months later, Bohr, Jordan, and Heisenberg published On Quantum Mechanics 2, also known as the three-man paper, which became the foundation document of quantum mechanics. Through this paper, he was awarded the Nobel Prize of Physics in 1932. His work on the uncertainty principle, building off the work of Schrödinger, was the work he was most noted for. With the help of Bohr, he published the paper on the perceptual content of quantum theoretical kinetic and quantum mechanics in March 1927. It talked about how the movement and position of a particle is impossible to measure.
Max Planck, or his full name Max Carl Ernst Ludwig Planck, was a German theoretical physicist born in April 23, 1858, Kiel, Germany. He came from a family of 8 as the sixth and youngest child. The long family tradition of devotion to church and state, excellence in scholarship, incorruptibility, conservatism, idealism, reliability, and generosity became deeply ingrained in Planck's own life and work. When he was 9, his father got a job at the University of Munich, and the family had to move. Due to this, he was enrolled in the Maximilian Gymnasium, a sort of preparatory school for higher academic education. At the school was where his sparked interest of physics and mathematics came from, but he was also gifted musically, such as with the piano, organ, and cello. He went on to graduate at the age of 17 and entered the University of Munich in the year 1874 to study physics, only to transfer to University of Berlin in 1877, studying thermodynamics and the sorts. Planck soon graduated at the age of 21 with a doctoral degree, and in 1892 he became an ordinary professor, a full professor. Max Planck's studies consisted of thermodynamics, as stated earlier, black-body radiation, and quantum mechanics. Planck's work in thermodynamics led to his formulations of his quantum theory, basically how and why matter changes color when it is hot, saying how energy is radiated in quantized packets, quantum, or quanta for plural. He also made something called Planck's constant, which looks like this, and is used to describe the behavior of particles and waves at the atomic scale. Despite the many hardships in his personal life, Max Planck went on to win a Nobel Prize in Physics in 1918 and revolutionized the way we understood subatomic processes, being one of the most important physicists during his time until his death on October 4, 1947, Göttingen, Germany.